So guys, get ready with me. Baliktad.
Baliktad siya, guys.
Baliktad siya guys. Pero okay lang, basta.
Baliktad yung utok niya.
Basta. So ito man and ito yung gamit ko guys. Oh, ganyan. Ito brown and green. Bagay di ba yan? So, let's read. So this is my t-shirt guys. So let's
T-shirt or shirt?
t-shirt Pareha po na. So ito guys, this is my pants. So this is ready para maganda. Naging Pasko. And my name. So let's go start my pants. So guys, this is my final look. Wala nakita na po kami. Ito guys. Parang dress na sana pero hindi ito dress.
Rampa, go!
Ito na lang. Off shoulder na natin. Pwede din, pero gusto ko yung ganyan kasi hindi ko pikaon. This is my hairstyle and this is the final look, guys. Charan! Merong bag na siya. Gilak na ako.
Door, don't.
Ay!
Bobo.
Sorry, guys. Ito, guys, may final look.
Sana,
Bandari. Ayan, guys, meron pa yung bag na siya. Tawa, ingay mo, mama. So, guys, bye, guys.